Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a quick one. Today's video is going to be on my brows. It's going to be something quick and easy, just showing you, the things that I'm using now, and just an updated video on my brows. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into my brow tutorial. One thing I have to say is I still use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, but I also use this right here. This is the Benefit Bomb Ass Brows by Desi Perkins. So I go back and forth between the Brow Wiz and this. Anastasia Brow Wiz is still my thing, but this is also good as well. So that's why I jump back and forth between them. I like both of them, so yeah. First thing I'm going to grab is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. And with this, I'll be shaping my brow and also filling it in. Since I do not have the brow shape that I desire, I have to create it myself. So I start to make a line from the beginning of my brow to the middle of my brow. And while I'm doing that, I am lifting my brow up just slightly. And I'm also bringing that line down to the tail of my brow. And the reason why I'm creating this line on the bottom of my brows, because on the bottom, I do not have so much hair. So that is going to shape the bottom of my brows. So I can start filling it in like you can see right now. I am adding texture and detail by creating hair-like strokes using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. And boom, do you see that? Look at how nice that looks. Okay, now I'm done with both my brows with the pencil. I'm gonna go back in with the Foolproof Brow Powder, and I'll be using the brush that it comes with. This is the powder, and if you can see, it's shaped as a brow. Now this side right here, it's the lighter powder for the brows, and it's like for the front. The darker powder is for the tail of your brow, but I do use this for the bottom right here because I hardly have hair right here, since like my hairs are not trying to grow in. So I do use the darker powder there so it can look fuller, but I do use the lighter powder for the front of my brows. Let's do this. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade first so I can set right down here. Hopefully you can see. And with the powder, I'm not swiping it on, I'm patting it in. Now I'm dipping into the lighter powder, as you can hear. And with the lighter powder, I'm doing brush strokes in the front of my brows. And just going all over now with the patting motion. I'm just going to brush it out, blend it, I'm going like brush strokes. You see the difference with the powder and without. I always use powder because I feel like with the powder you're setting your brows. And I like the spoolie, it's really thick. I feel like both ways it looks good. The last thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to be using the Highbrow. This is the Creamy Brow Highlighting Pencil. With this, I'm just going to apply it right below my arch line. And take this brush right here. This is like an angled brush from Wet n Wild. And with this, I'm going to blend it out. Point blank, this is highlighting but also cleaning the brows up. And then taking my finger, my ring finger, and just tapping. And boom. Right? Looks good. Even when I do with the Anastasia one, I used the Anastasia pencil and then also a brow powder. So this is the same thing, but it's just in a bundle. This is the end of my updated brow routine. I hope you enjoy. I know it was something quick, but you know, I just wanted to give you my update on what I do for my brows still, because I don't do it on camera, because it's just like, why? So yeah, I just did a whole video on it. Something quick and easy. Not easy, but you know, just quick to watch, I guess, hopefully. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. And yes, I am rocking the same video. What? And it has a yeah, I'm gonna do it. This side right here is a lot. This side is the what the hell? And it was helpful. If you see you next time, guys. What?